to move forward with the project. At the site assessment, we take definitive roof measurements, we finalize the layout, we take electrical details, check out the meter, the main service panel, and we have to have structural approval from an engineer to proceed with any projects. We're always going to check out the rafters or the truss structure of the roof to make sure there's the integrity to continue with the project. That wraps up the site assessment portion, and at that point, we would move forward with an agreement and proceed with engineering and permitting. After an agreement is reached, there's about a 3-month window until the installation typically, when engineering and permitting is taking place. The first step of the project, after everything's finalized, is to proceed with engineering plans, which we complete, and then we use those engineering plan sets to apply for both interconnection permit with the utility as well as a township work permit. That phase of the project usually takes 3 to 6 weeks. It really can vary depending on the township and the turnaround time for the interconnection permit with the utility as well. That, again, processes around 3 to 6 weeks, and then usually is another 4 to 6 weeks for our crews to get on to the site to actually perform the installation, depending on our queue of work at that time of year. In addition to the engineering and the interconnection and township work permits, during the time between the agreement and the actual installation, we're also ordering materials and getting through the queue of work that our crews have at the time. This can be dependent on seasonality, depending on weather, depending on how much we have in the pipeline at that time, but that process is often 4 to 6 weeks in addition to permitting. So day of installation, our crews will end up at the job